Okay, here's some more puzzles that I got this month. There's a little keychain, Rubik 3x3, a Master's Cube. I couldn't remember what that was. I looked for it online, but just forgot. Murphy's hexagonal prism. Some 15 puzzles, keychain. I got about 10 of them. Rubik's Magic, cross teaser. Trageber's octahedron, 3x3 octahedron, a dodecahedron. Then we have a windmill cube, a mosaic tiled cube, a dark blue bump cube, looks kind of black, a penguin, master morph, and a missing link. An older 3x3 Rubik's Chex cube, or just a Chex cube. A stickered 5x5. A wonderful puzzler 3x3. Windmill cube. 5x5 Ishin. A couple of what looks to be truncated hexagonal dipyramids, one in white, one in black. Rubik's 1. Alexander Star, another one. Lifesavers puzzle, kind of like a stacking puzzle. Not really a twisty puzzle, but it's still pretty cool. Can solve it. About 5 4x4s and 4 2x2s, big ones. That's it for this month. Keep on checking. Hopefully we'll be getting some more. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.